Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can pay Spotify using Gcash. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Spotify and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, you're gonna find all of the sections. You're gonna find the home section, the search section, and lastly right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of the playlists. Right here you can expand your library, and if you go right here to the top right corner, you're gonna find your notifications. Here you're gonna find your friend activity, and lastly right here you're gonna find your profile icon. If you click on it, right here under it you're gonna find account. From here you can access your account settings. You can go to your profile, upgrade to premium, start a private session, go to settings, and lastly log out from your Spotify account. So go ahead and click on account. And then once you do that, this will take you right here to this page. So basically guys, once you're here, you're going to find all of the settings related to your Spotify account. So once you're here, just scroll a little bit down. Here you're going to find your account settings, payment settings, security and privacy, and lastly help. Go to payment. Here under it, you're going to find order history, saved payment cards, and the option to activate or redeem a code. Go ahead and click on saved payment cards. And then right here, you can click on add a card. And then once you do that, right here, you can add your payment method. As you can see, guys, the only payment method that's available is your credit or debit card. So just add your payment informations, your card number, date, and security code. Then click on save and your payment method will be added. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.